As more people return to work, the issue of childcare is becoming more prominent, but our local YMCA is working to solve that need. News Channel 3's Patrick Evans has more.
It is my pleasure to welcome the executive director of the Family YMCA of the Desert, Paula Simons, to talk a little bit about what's going on at the Y. Obviously, a lot of changes for you in terms of space management and childcare. Let's start there. You guys are one of the biggest childcare agencies in all of the desert.
Right. Thanks for having us, Patrick. This is just a great opportunity to share what the Y is doing during this time. When this all hit our organization, we really looked at it as this is now an obstacle in front of us, but how can we create an opportunity? So it was really how we were going to formulate our plan, get together, and offer childcare for our essential workers in the Valley. So as everyone knows, it's been quite the process, but as of April 20th, we were able to open our doors in a phased approach at our San Pablo Y, and then in great partnership with the city of La Quinta, who's helped repurpose their museum right now. We have a location there. And then we've opened up our 3 preschools in Indio, Palm Desert, and La Quinta.
Wow. So there are obviously limits on the number of kids you can take care of. And obviously there are not as many kids because parents are still home. But as we open up, there are going to be more kids needing childcare. How are we going to handle that?
Exactly. And so what we looked at is we knew that childcare was going to happen. We knew there was going to be a need, and it's different for everybody. And with our staff and our families and what needs to be allowed. And as you were sharing, just the space location. So right now, basically our ratios, we can have 10 children per space in one area. So it presents unique challenges. But again, our team has come together and really following what our recommended guidelines are, working with our local, our county, state, and national guidelines. And it's been a little bit of a challenge, but we wanted to take it where we can become part of a solution. And I'm really proud of our team for what we're able to do.
Well, you guys are doing spectacular work, I think, under really difficult circumstances. What about other programs? Are you offering online activities that kids can participate in?
We are. So with our preschools, they've connected through Learning Genie. We've connected with the United Way of the Desert, and they do a story time each night. So you can always follow them or us on social media. We are in the process, again, of going to launch something June 1st, because you see a lot of families out there getting motivated to move with their families and health and education and wellness. And so we're going to launch something on June 1st. So be on the lookout for that. It's going to be a Move More challenge. And we have just neat opportunities. Keep looking at our social media, our website. We're doing in conjunction with the city of Palm Desert and the Aquatic Center, unfortunately, which is not opened right now, but we will get there. But we have, again, online video workouts for water aerobics. So check that out at pdpool.com.
Do we have any timeline on when the Aquatic Center might reopen?
We don't. We're still in constant conversation with our city officials and as our shared Riverside County, and it'll be a phased approach. We are anxious to get open, and maybe it'll start with lap swim. I know there's some confusion sometimes because the HOAs have opened, and why not the public facility? But we'll get there. We're going to get there. As I keep saying, there's obstacles, but we're ready to overcome them.
I'm running out of time, but anything that the community can do to help you guys?
Absolutely, and thanks for asking. If we could get some supplies, if you're out and hand sanitizer and those antibacterial wipes, they are wiping down seats and tables constantly. Our staff, that is just a great need that we need right now. And that would be very helpful. So if anybody wants to get in touch with us, they can call us at 341-9622 or email us at ymcaofthedesert.org.
Paula, thank you so much. And we appreciate all that you're doing to help keep kids and the community safe.
Thank you, Patrick.